Good morning. I'm going to show you how I fixed my frozen water line. The main line that comes from my water cistern to my pump in the house was frozen this morning when we got up. So I YouTubed a couple of videos on how some other people have done it, and they had a great idea where you run a hose into your main line, and then when you reach the blockage where the ice is, you take a little pump and you pump water through it, and as you continue to push the hose in, it melts the ice, and it worked really slick. So I'm just going to show you my setup I've got here. Can you pass me the phone, Gina? Alright, so start off with, I disconnected the main line coming in from my pump. So I took that off and I left that pipe sticking up like that. And I don't know if you can see, but it comes up through the floor there, and I put some rags down there to catch any water that dripped. And then I took a milk jug and cut a hole in it and stuck it on the top of the pipe, wrapped some duct tape around there, so that as I'm pushing the pipe in and pumping water through, the water comes back out of here, drains into my bin. And in the bin I've got my pickup hose for a little pony pump I bought. I went with this instead of a little submersible because this one actually has pretty decent pressure and flow, and it was pretty cheap at my local hardware store. And the other thing I got was a 100-foot length of PEX pipe, half-inch PEX. And I got that because I wanted something that was big enough to have enough flow of water to melt the ice quickly, and stiff enough that I could push on it with a decent amount of force to get it through the pipe. Because I've got quite a length here. I've got nearly 100 feet, or maybe it's probably closer to 60 feet, but I bought 100 feet of pipe to make sure I got through. So all I did, and Gina, maybe you can take over the camera here. So what I did, I kind of beveled the end of the pipe there in the direction that it normally wanted to go, just so I could get by any fittings, the connections that were in the pipe from the tank to the house. And stuck the pipe in there, and there's a fitting right there, so you can see I had a little bit of trouble just getting past the first one. There. And I just kept feeding it in. I went in quite a ways. Probably went in about 30 feet. And I don't have the pump on right now. That's just water coming out of the pipe as I'm forcing the hose in. But when I got to the blockage, then I plugged in the pump. And I just kept steady pressure on it. And it actually moved like maybe a quarter inch a minute. And I just kept pushing it through, and finally I felt it go right through, and I could get all the way to the tank with it. So yeah, so that's YouTube was very helpful for me. It gave me this idea, and it worked out great. So I'm very happy with how it turned out. Thank you.